welcome to my channel. I have here a Sony. This is a 2-band radio. Model is TFM-9430W. FM starts at 87.5 until 108 MHz and the AM starts at 530 until 1605 kHz. This unit is a 110 volts but I converted it to 220 volts. This unit is made in Taiwan way back 70s until early 80s. Let's try first to look at the back part. It has a wood cover and these are the specs. This unit uses 10 transistors both in AM, FM and its amplifier. The side here is for the external antenna. If you're in a remote area, you can use the external antenna for your FM. AM has already an internal antenna inside. This is the switch or the selector switch for FM or AM band. This one here is for the switch for FM if you use automatic frequency control. Automatic frequency control helps you scan a channel or fine-tune your FM. This is the dial for the FM, dial for the AM. Power switch on and off, at the same time volume control, and this one here is the tuning knob. Now let's try first the AM.
The postal facility.
Politics. Minimum nilang ilahan. Ha?
So that is the AM. Let's try the FM.
Si Malyari yung kanyang napuso ang isa sa hanap buhay. Mas from the line.
Safeguard. Make every wash.
DYFR-FM.
Smart. Dishwasher.
But wait, there's more!
Mula sa kalikasan ang siyang magpapaalis at magandang pakikinig. And to God.
Bright bar blue with...
So that's all. Hope you subscribe to my channel and just stay updated always to this channel for more and more interesting videos to come. Thanks for watching, guys.